hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. I just wanted to make a short video showcasing some of the awesome detailing products that Shine Armor has to offer. So this is going to be the first one. This is called the Fortified Quick Coat. They've actually been working on this for over 20 years now. So Fortified Quick Coat is actually a quick detailer that is ceramic infused. So that means it'll wash, shine, and ceramic coat all in one application. So this is my girlfriend Lauren's BRZ, which she is actually behind the camera right now. So we have a line right here. We're gonna go ahead and apply the quick coat to the left side and then leave the right side alone. And if you don't mind going up close, you can see her car's been in the garage for a while. It is covered in dust on both sides. So we're gonna use the quick coat and we're gonna clean that right up. Okay, so we're gonna just spray a little on our microfiber and then we're just gonna wipe it on the surface. And as you can see, it literally just wipes the dust right off. So we'll go ahead and just do one more pass. And it is purple and it also smells like grapes. So if you like grapes, you'll like this. We're gonna do the slide test and then you'll really see the difference. So this is the untreated side and you can just place the water bottle there and it'll just stay forever. But then if you go to the treated side, as you can see, the whole hood is treated now, super glossy. And then here's the fender that has not been treated yet. Don't know if you can tell, but it's very dusty, and then the hood is super glossy. So moving on to the interior of her BRZ, we're gonna use the Shine Armor interior cleaner, and as you can see, it is anti-static and sun blocking. You can use it on vinyl, leather, and plastic. So we have a little piece of tape right here in the middle. We're gonna go ahead and apply this on the left side and then compare it to the right side. It's pretty dusty in here, so this should help out a lot. I'm gonna try to get a better angle on the outside, but here was the tape line. You can actually tell how much cleaner it actually is. The left side is the clean side and the right side still has the dust, but you can already tell a huge difference. All right guys, so last but not least, we have the leather conditioner. We're in Lauren's TL now because this is the only car that actually has leather seats. So we're gonna go ahead and apply it to the right side and see how great this turns out. So after you apply it, you're supposed to grab a dry microfiber and then wipe it off before it actually starts to haze. So we'll just go ahead and wipe it off. So as you can see, the right side that is treated looks a lot better. Looks a lot healthier, and then it will also protect the leather seats for the future. Thank you so much for watching. If you do want to check out some of their products, go to shinearmor.com and you can use code TJ10 for 10% off. This is only good for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, so go ahead, jump on this awesome deal and get you some detailing stuff.